So we're here, guys, at some historical sites that our fans are requesting. So we are here at the Alamo, where people were actually deleted on this very site. And we're going to be going around and showing you everything that's here, including inside what's behind there as well. We'll see what's inside. Standing here in front of Davy Crockett's statue really puts the history of the Alamo into perspective. Crockett is often remembered as a legendary frontsman and politician, but what makes his place significant is the choice he made to come to Texas and defend the Alamo in 1836. He wasn't originally a Texan by birth, yet he volunteered to fight for this amazing cause he believed in. Although the defenders knew they were heavily outnumbered, they stayed anyway. The Battle of the Alamo became less about winning and more about the sacrifice they put in, and that sacrifice became a powerful symbol that inspired the Texas Army in the fight for their independence. Whether you're interested in history, the politics, or the people involved, it's easy to see why Davy Crockett remains one of the most recognizable figures associated with the Alamo.
The front of your plane, so fly it. Put that being sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride.
Looks like we made it, guys. We made it here to the Woman Golden Lasso Coaster. You can see just how beautiful Wonder Woman is. They actually allow her to be sexy at this theme park in Six Flags Fiesta Texas. The entrance. You can see just the ride right up there. Just about to go off. I do have the fast lane for this ride, so I'll be able to get to the line no problem. You can see the entire ride is just all of this nice, awesome built coaster over here. You can just see it just go real quick before we actually get on the ride itself.
Excuse me.
We'll get back to you in just a little bit. So guys, our next ride is going to be the Superman Krypton Coaster. As you can see it right there in the background. You'll get to see more of it as soon as I get closer to the ride and I take some more footage of the actual coaster. So we're now making our way to the Superman Krypton Coaster. You can see Batman rides right over there. And then you have the Joker ride over here. Just gotta find the gift store to get into the Superman Krypton Coaster. So yeah, the Superman Krypton Coaster is just right behind the Joker ride. You can see that they placed Superman at the top of the coaster right there. The ride just ended for these people. And then you have the Joker just, like I said, right here. We're making our way over to the Joker Carnival Chaos, right past that though. So that we can head towards the Krypton Coaster. For more information on the Joker Carnival of Chaos, you actually go right through here. All these people are in order to get on that ride. So we have this awesome statue of Superman just right over here. Here's the entrance to the, I guess, the Daily Planet store, and you enter through this store in order to get to the Superman Krypton Coaster. Let's go take a look inside. Nice AC area. Here it is right here, guys, the test seat for the Superman Krypton Coaster. For anyone who wants to test out the Superman ride. As you all can clearly see, I fit in the Superman ride, unlike all the fat haters out there. We're heading now to the Superman Krypton Coaster fast lane, which is just this way. We're gonna go here. Right over here. We're gonna go right over here, guys. Over to the fast lane. Which happens to be the exit too, which is weird. Oh yeah. We got the entrance to the Superman Krypton Coaster here. So it's just going right up there. That is more than likely going to indeed be a big drop. So I just got done getting off the Superman Krypton Coaster ride. Definitely the best ride I've ridden here so far, or thus far. We're gonna see what other rides you can get to, and we'll let you guys experience and see all that as well. So as you guys can see, just right over there is the Roadrunner Express, but we're actually heading over to the Diabolical Cliffhanger, which is this coaster right over here. We're probably gonna get you some footage of that if it ever goes, but I know the test seat is actually over here to the left for anybody, again, that wants to test to see if they can ride the Diabolical Cliffhanger.
see your sample. I promise you're just a few short moments away. And while we prepare the samples in the next room, prepare yourselves for newfound youth. Robot! Tell our guests what my elixir promises to deliver.
Dr. Diabolical's elixir promises to deliver absolutely remarkable results. Each sample of the elixir is curated by Dr. Diabolical to uniquely treat each individual need. Move forward through the corridor. You will receive your elixir sample and your instantaneous results. Quickly now, there's no time to waste.
Under the extractor. It's located above your head. Hurry! Move quickly!
Hello again, my foolish puppets. I wanted to let you all in on a little secret. The real reason you are all here. My extraction machine! Confused? Oh, you thought there was actually a miracle elixir? How sweet. There is an elixir, of sorts. This torturous extraction device will rip your fear and adrenaline from you bit by bit. Your fear will feed my army of ravenous creatures. Robot! Turn on the machine. My machine! You fools! You broke my precious machine!
Now's your chance! You must leave and run! The extractor mechanism is malfunctioning!
So we just finished experiencing Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger. Very steep drop right in the beginning. If you don't really like those steep drops where they just kind of make you hang there for a second before they just completely drop you, you won't like this ride. Other than that, the ride was very smooth, very fun, a very nice little intro going into there. I highly recommend it. Well, it looks like people are stuck up there in the Supergirl Skyflight.
Wait for the conductor to open up the door to exit. Thank you for riding the Metropolis Transit Authority and enjoy the rest of your day here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas.
Well, since EBS seems to love Baby Ride so much, and I know you're going to watch this, Ethan, it's going to be hilarious watching you cry about it. They made a Baby Ride just for the character that you decided to help with Green Lantern Rebirth. There you go. This is all they give you for the character you worked so hard on. So we're about to make our way over to Poltergeist, which is right here. It's an entrance in there. We're gonna see what that's all about. As usual, I got the fast pass for this, so we're just walking down here now. See what's inside.
sure you're not leaning, pushing, or pulling on the silver entry gates. There is a yellow line located down at your feet. You must be standing behind the yellow line. Once again, do not lean, push, or pull on the silver gates. Thank you. All clear. Launching in 3, 2, 1.
So we're making our way out of Six Flags Fiesta Texas, but of course we do want to stop at gift shop first. So we're gonna take a look at the gift shop. So that'll be the end of this trip to Six Flags Fiesta Texas. If you want to see more videos like this, we'll be doing more videos like this. Probably the next one will probably be our Vegas trip next weekend. So subscribe for more content. See you guys next time.